going to describe about the scenario of Mr. Anand Kumar. Anand Kumar pioneering Super 30 initiative has helped over 500 students from the underprivileged section of society successfully chase their IIT dream in the last 18 years. Anand Kumar joined Google's list of the searched Indian top trending personalities. To quotation of Mr. Anand Kumar on his business strategy is that start business with whatever amount of money you have and try to avoid taking help from others. Even I have never taken any monetary help from anybody. I have getting offers from not just the government of Bihar, but big businesses tycoons. Well, I am the grateful to all the who approached me, pursuing my love for mathematics. Mathematician Anand Kumar has taken a break recently from his the Super 30 for the year. For the year, indeed, there will be no fresh batch in the year. He needed some time to work on Super 30. Thank you, and I would like to invite Vartika to say.
Thank you so much, Sudha. Okay, so first of all, I would like to put up a question in front of you guys that what's that one thing that can completely change the current scenario of the life that we are leading? Anyone who could answer to this?
Decision took by him.
Yeah, who answered this? Harshita?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you so much for the answer, and it is appropriate and correct, of course. The answer to is one decision. We are always just one decision away from the type of life we want to live. So it always depends on us the type of decisions we take. See, होता क्या है कि जरूरी नहीं है कि we always make good decisions. Good decision लेंगे तो good output आएगा, of course. अगर हम
sorry to interrupt. Can you close the screen sharing so that we can see you when you are speaking?
I am on मतलब मैं दूसरी साइड पे भी हूँ, so you can.
Okay, please continue.
Yeah. So yeah, I was saying that it doesn't depend on the amount of decision we have taken, but at least we should take decisions. क्या होता है कि अगर हम good decisions लेंगे, so क्या होगा? Good output आएगा. If we'll be taking not so good decisions, so the output will be not so good enough. Okay, so what is important is कि हमें life में decisions और big decisions लेते रहना चाहिए. We should not fear by taking decisions. With this, I would like to say a very good morning to one and all present over here. This is Vartika, and today I am here to conclude the topic presented by my teammates in front of you all. The topic presented in front of you all was a success story not only of an individual but also of an institution as well, which gained fame not only in nationwide but also worldwide. Okay, I am talking about Mr. Anand Kumar. The institution led by him is Super 30. जो बहुत लोगों ने सुना होगा. Film was also made on this topic, and I guess Hrithik Roshan leaded the movie. So this is very well-known topic. Mr. Anand Kumar was very much inspirational to me. I would tell why, because he was a Indian mathematician who came from a very weak background and dreamed not only for himself but to make a change in the life of others also. Because क्या होता है कि हम fame, name, gain अपने लिए तो कर लेते हैं, but there is हमें ऐसी फेम ऐसी सक्सेस गेन करनी चाहिए जिससे हमारी लाइफ तो इफेक्ट हो, हमारी लाइफ तो अच्छी हो, बट साथ साथ दूसरों की लाइफ पे भी बहुत अच्छा इम्पैक्ट पड़े. विद दिस आई वुड लाइक टू से कि सुपर 30 जो उनका इनिशिएटिव था, सुपर 30 क्या है उसके बारे में आई वुड लाइक टू टेल अ फ्यू पॉइंट्स. सुपर 30 एक ऐसी इंस्टीट्यूशन है जिसपे दे टीच जेईई स्टूडेंट्स. ओनली 30 स्टूडेंट्स आर टॉट ओवर देयर. कोई क्वांटिटी में ऊपर नीचे नहीं करते. दे डू ओनली टीच ओनली 30 स्टूडेंट्स, कीपिंग दिस इन माइंड कि they want effective result. ठीक है, we can have a lot of students, but अगर result effective नहीं है तो वो उस चीज को successful नहीं बनाएगा. What made Super 30 effective is one thing कि they only focused on 30 students and not the number of other students. उनको number बढ़ाने पे कभी उनका focus नहीं रहा. Second thing was Super 30 aims उन बच्चों को जिनकी financially जो लोग financially बहुत weak हैं and they cannot fund their finances for the education of IIT to get into the IITs, because IIT ki fees we know it is very much high. And secondly, one thing that Mr. Anand believed is if you are able, then you have got no limits. So this was a thing he used to look for in a child. It is, while quite debated. A lot of students say that he doesn't take fair students, तो fair students को नहीं लेते हैं. But he quote this line कि अगर I see ability in the kid, I'll be taking it because he has got no limits. He'll shine and rise. If not under me, then outside me. So this is what he believes in. Second thing, what he believes in while framing this Super 30 was any student should not be crippled by the financial financial limitations of his family. अगर किसी की फैमिली में फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम है तो उसकी वजह से कोई बच्चा जो एबल है वो पीछे ना रह जाए, इस वजह से ही इनिशिएटेड दिस टॉपिक ऑफ Super 30 and it gained huge success. He was featured in lot of magazines. He received a call from Mr. Barack Obama he offered him sponsorship and all, but he rejected, which he keeps on doing that. He have achieved a lot of awards and a movie has been made on him, and different televisions show his story on their channels for a while, and he has received award from our president also. So with this, I would just say that I hope this story, you find this story inspiring, and there was some technical glitch and some part was not, conveyed to you as it was meant to be. But still, I guess that we were, we made an impact and you guys could relate to the story. Thank you so much.